Right here, we're installing some of our new CBI rock slides on this 2024 Chevy Colorado. Basically, these are the hand tools you're going to need. You're going to need a 3/4 inch wrench, 3/4 inch socket, and then a ratchet with a 9/16 socket on top of it. As you can see, it does a real nice job of coming right up through those lines without hitting it at all. So what you want to do basically when you get this thing up and getting it into position is there's two holes right here in the frame that we want to line up on. We want to get our two bolts in and this nut lock we have. And up in the frame up here, there's a little slot up here. You can just slide this nut lock into, and it comes down in the frame. And you can just hold the nut lock. Pretty simple, not too hard to find. So on the back side of this frame back here, there's another hole. We want to, we got another nut lock. So we're gonna fish this down through. And it slides right down into place. Hold it just a little bit, and you can put your nut right up in there, your bolt right up in there. Okay, so we're gonna install our last two bolts, these 1/2 inch bolts with these lock nuts on it. And what you wanna do here is make sure that we're flush up off the bottom as tight as we can get with the slide, because these are gonna lay right up on top of the frame in these two holes. Okay, now we've got those two bolts tightened down, we'll go ahead and move on to these front ones. So now we've checked this all out and got it all done. We're ready to go hit the trails and put these things through the test and go have some fun. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below.